Alright. Please take that. This is hot in here. And turn on the temperature, bro. Come on. It's too hot in here. I ain't got this fit off. Oh, hey. Let me tell you a little bit about Tiger Roar TV. It is the new anchor for VC Media Network. Tiger Roar TV features news, updates, and entertainment from Voorhees College. And the key to it all is us, the students. We are writing, producing, directing, and streaming media content with seasoned professionals. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share to all the contents we post. And not to mention, hit the notification button if you really want to tune into what we post. Stay tuned.
Hello everyone, my name is Denise Freeman. I'm a senior biology major here at Voorhees College, hailing from Monrovia, Liberia. On Friday, the 27th of September, Voorhees College held an African royalty celebration of the 2019 coronation of Mr. and Ms. Voorhees College, and I was a part of that amazing event. Your 52nd Miss Voorhees College, Ms. Tema Esther Garcia. Tema is a senior business finance major hailing from Monrovia, Liberia. After graduating Voorhees, Tema plans to attend graduate school at North Carolina A&T State University to pursue a master's degree as she aspires to become a certified public accountant. Tema is a member of many organizations here at Voorhees College, including the Debbie Franklin Evans Honors College, and she's also one of the founders of the Voorhees College African Dance. Your sixth Mr. Voorhees College is Mr. Alex Collins Brooks. Alex is a senior mass communication major originally from Sparta, Georgia. After graduating Voorhees College, Alex plans to continue his basketball career on a professional level. Alex aspires to become a sports broadcaster and a marketing advertising executive. Brooks is a member of many organizations here at Voorhees College, including the Epsilon chapter of the Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated and the Voorhees College men's basketball team where he serves as team captain. During coronation, I observed the audience as they were amazed by the entrance of Mr. and Ms. Voorhees College and to see them fully enjoy the event that evening. They were amazed by how put together the event was and how much they loved the African attire of everyone that took part in the coronation. So much so that a lot of people in the audience wore African attire to match the team African royalty and made the atmosphere in the room even more enjoyable to look at. The coronation day was different from the past coronations I've attended since I've been here at Voorhees College because the traditional dresses from the past coronations was changed to a more unique style, even the team was unique as well. It was all tied down to the African decor such as the statues and paintings, as well as the African drumming and dancing that performed by the dynamic African dance troupe as a tribute and before Mr. and Ms. Voorhees College walked in. The academic provost at the Running Hopkins even joined in the tribute, which made it more lively, and everybody was on the feet cheering. If you missed it, you missed something spectacular. Once again, I am Denise Freeman, and you're watching Tiger Roar TV.
Hello, I'm Tema Garcia, your 2019 to 2020 Miss Voorhees College. I'm a senior business finance major hailing from the motherland, Monrovia, Liberia. I'm honored to serve as Miss Voorhees because it grants me the opportunity to serve in a major role. This position has enabled me to spread my positivity and service to my peers and community. Once again, I'm Tema Garcia, your 52nd Miss Voorhees College. Here at Voorhees College, we begin, believe, and become.
Hey y'all, this is Louis Gossett Jr., you know, the actor. But you're watching Tiger Roar TV. Don't stop watching, it's very important.
Throughout each semester, Voorhees College presents noted speakers and feature events designed to both enlighten and entertain the students, faculty, staff, and community. From best-selling authors and poets to noted scholars and celebrities, the college seeks to present signature events that leave a glowing, lasting impression on all who attend and to expand knowledge and positive notoriety of the school's amazing legacy and mission. Early in the fall semester, Academy Award winner and social activist Louis Gossett Jr. was featured in a signature event that left the entire Voorhees College family delighted and enlightened. If you weren't able to attend, you can relive Mr. Gossett's interaction with the campus by watching the signature event series on the Voorhees College YouTube channel.
From the mighty class of 2013 here at Voorhees College. Currently, I serve as the college development manager. We're here today to welcome all of our Voorhees College alums, community members to send your students here to Voorhees College where they can get a proper education. Also, don't forget to give. Again, I'm Tequila. Thank you for watching Tiger Roar TV.
Hi, my name is Samuel Dotson, graduate of the mighty 2013 class here at Voorhees College. I currently serve as the Career Pathways Initiative Coordinator for first year experience, and I'm here to let you know that if you have any young adults out there that's looking for an education, Voorhees College is the place to be. In addition to that, alumni, we need your funds. In order for us to build bridges that build empires, we need everybody as a collective unit to give.
Hi, my name is Megan Freeman, and I'm representing the mighty class of 2013. I currently serve as the Director of Communications here at Voorhees College. We are asking all people out there who know any potential students to please send them here to Voorhees College where they can receive a quality education and begin, believe, and become something greater. Also, because I work in institutional advancement and development, I cannot stress enough how important it is to give back to your institution. We need your time, your talent, and your treasure. Give.
Again, this is Tequila Brown.
My name is Samuel Dotson.
Again, this is Megan Freeman.
And you're watching Tiger
You're
Roar
watching
TV.
Tiger Roar TV.
Tiger Roar TV.
Hey everybody, my name is Randall Ames. I'm a junior here at Voorhees College. I'm a biology major from Long Beach, California, and I am your 2019-2020 Student Government Association President. What inspired me to run for office was I want to be one of the problem-solving agencies on this campus, so that way we may increase student engagement with more diverse activities. On the personal note, being Student Government Association President has impacted my leadership skills and knowledge while opening my network opportunities to a whole nother level and giving me insight on how college universities are ran. I strongly encourage you to attend Voorhees College. Coming all the way from Long Beach, California with no family or relatives in the South, I didn't know too much about Denmark, South Carolina. I didn't know too much about Voorhees College. But upon my arrival, they welcomed me with open arms and I immediately felt a sense of inclusion. My name is Jalen Williams and you're watching Tiger Roar TV.
Hello, I am India Williams. I am a graduate of Voorhees College, class of 2001. I also reigned as Miss Voorhees 2000-2001. And Voorhees has opened up so many doors for me. I got my master's degree on a full academic scholarship because I graduated with honors. Voorhees has prepared me. It has laid the foundation of just pushing me through. And I'm excited because I am also an author, I am a speaker, I'm a poet, and Voorhees College did that for me. I published my first inaugural book of poetry, and I am also an active alumni member. I'm a 10 and under 40 recipient, and giving back to my school is one thing that moves me. And greatness is here. Like everybody that attend Voorhees College, graduated Voorhees College, they're full of greatness, success, and motivation, and I am so inspired to just be a part of that. It's so much growth here, and I welcome anybody that's seeking an education at an HBCU. Voorhees College is the place to be. My father always said, Luke 6:38, given and shall be given unto you. Good measures pressed down, shaken together, and running over. And here at Voorhees College, we are running over with so much greatness. And so I encourage you to give in any way possible, whether it's financially, physically, volunteering. We have the need for you here, and we welcome you to come and join us. Be a tiger full of pride. And again, I am India Williams. I will continue to encourage others to be a Voorhees College graduate.
My name is John Dunmire III, Mayor, Town of Hollywood, South Carolina, Voorhees College, class of 1976. Voorhees College gave me my start. Mathematics. With mathematics, I served 21 years in the U.S. Army, came home, and now I can give back to my Voorhees College. Please come to Voorhees College. See what we do. Come to visit. I can guarantee you that you will fall in love with Voorhees College. My name is John Dunmire III, and you are watching Tiger Roar TV.
I am India Williams, and you're watching Tiger Roar TV.
Hi, my name is Dwayne Smiling. I am in charge of this year's UNCF Luncheon. I'm a prospect researcher and director of governmental relations here at the college, at Voorhees College, and so happy that the event turned out very successful today. Our sponsors were fabulous. We had them at all levels, the platinum level, the silver level, the bronze level, and all of them represent different type of money, from $1,500 down to $250. We have long-term sponsors and new sponsors. All of them really stepped up to the plate and continue to support UNCF because they believe in what we're doing and this luncheon. So we're very grateful to our sponsors. This year we really are happy because our goal was $10,700. And we're so fortunate because as we speak right now, we're well over $15,000. Money is still coming in, so it shows that we have the support of not only the college, but the whole community. So certainly we are very proud of not only meeting our goal, but exceeding our goal, and we tend to want to do that every year.
There's no place like Voorhees. The 2019 homecoming theme echoed throughout the entire week with students, alumni, faculty, and staff all invoking the phrase throughout various events and activities including the Alumni Hall of Fame, the parade, Greek Step Show, the homecoming basketball games, the Mr. and Miss Homecoming Pageant, Diversity Fest, and more. The entire Voorhees College family was grateful for a safe homecoming weekend with only slightly chilly temperatures and no rain. If you missed homecoming this year, mark it on your calendar now for next year. Homecoming 2020 is November 12th through 14th, and we want to see you there.
The newest element to the VC Media Network is VC Tiger Sports on YouTube. VC Media Network consists of the main VC YouTube channel, WVCD Radio, and the VC Media Network monitors. Our Tiger Sports page allows you to catch highlights, interviews, live games, and anything within our athletics department. So make sure you come check us out here on VC Tiger Sports. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channels and turn on notifications to receive immediate alerts on new videos and live stream. Also, tune into WVCD online from the Voorhees College website or by typing voorhees.edu/WVCD.
As the executive producer for the VC Media Network, I have to take a moment out to thank the crew, my crew, our crew, that is building the foundation of something amazing here at Voorhees College. Mass Communications majors Jalen Snyder, Acacia Donaldson, Lauren Adams, Derek Richmond, and Aisha McKinley, and Biology major Denise Freeman, service camera operators, producers, directors, writers, announcers, voiceover artists, hosts, and so much more here on campus. And Mass Communications major Christina Donovan is shooting, editing, and producing on Capitol Hill while she's on a year-long internship in Washington, D.C. WVCD Radio General Manager Clarence Jones is building a new breed of fantastic sports and news announcers, and Voorhees College archivist Richard Reed is helping bring seasoned videography expertise to the young VC Media Network crew. Ms. Charlene Johnson, Dr. Gwyneth Nelson, and Mr. Shamrico Stanley, along with our entire athletics department, have been instrumental in acquiring new equipment and technologies that are just the start of the innovation we're seeking to bring with the VC Media Network. MassCom Professor Stephen Jackson, along with Dr. Diane Hewlett and Dr. Tawana Chenault, have helped provide and deliver reliable and eager students. And Chief Technology Officer Mr. Monterio Jones has worked to ensure that all our technical needs are in place. So, follow, like, subscribe, share, turn on notifications, make sure you're on the VC email list, watch the website, social media, all of that, so you can watch and be a part of the growth of amazing new things launching here at Voorhees College. I am Sumner, the executive producer of the VC Media Network, and you're watching Tiger Roar TV.